What's up, good people? Hey, we are excited today because today is the day that we are on our way. We are on a path to financial freedom, okay? If you're new to the page, do yourself a favor, go ahead and subscribe. My name is Larry Jones. I've been investing over 20 years, actually over 25 years, but I've been doing it consistently over the last 20 years. And I've learned a lot, and I want to help you guys that have been struggling financially to really set yourself to be on a course to financial freedom. This is called the $5 a day challenge, okay? For those of you that have been waiting, today is the day that we start on our path. Now, we started with, I believe, $265 because what I want you to do is calculate $5 a day from the beginning of the year till today, all right? And then we're starting with that number. If you don't have that, don't worry about it. Start where you are. We're doing $5 a day, but if you have $3 a day, then just start with what you have. If you have $10, $20, $30, $50 a day, then you could do that also, all right? So let's get right into it, and then I'll come back at the end and give you some more information, all right? So I want to tell you this, and this is the absolute truth because it's important for this challenge. Life starts at the end of your comfort zone, all right? When you make yourself uncomfortable, it actually creates growth. And what society has done has taught us to work a job and to get in debt and to be sheep and go through the system and never build financial wealth. You can build financial freedom regardless of your pay and whatever your pay scale is, all right? I want you guys to know that. So we're starting with $5 a day. That is roughly $152 a month. Why $152? Because if you take 365 days and divide it by 12, $5 a day times $5 a day divided by 12, it comes up to roughly $152 a month, right? So what we're doing with that $152 is we're dividing that into 4 different stocks. So that means we will be spending $38 a month on 4 different stocks. So that's 38 times 4, which equals the 152. Follow? And so that is what we're going to do. It all comes up to $5 a day. All right? But here's the sweet thing. We're going to set it on automatic. We're going to set it on automatic. We work, we pay our bills, we pay everybody else, and we don't pay ourselves. Wealthy people make themselves a priority because the pilot of the plane has to be wealthy so the rest of the plane can be wealthy. All right? So you have to be financially wealthy so you can create wealth for the rest of your family. Okay? And so that's what we're doing. We're taking $5 a day. Today is the 22nd of February. We're starting with $235 because that's $5 a day up until now. And then what we're going to do on the 22nd of every month, we're going to put it on automatic. So it's going to automatically come out of your account and come right into your trading account. We're going to set that on automatic because we're going to pay ourselves first, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to pay ourselves first. All right. So I want you to listen to these instructions and I will see you at the end. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to talk low so I don't overdo the mic. I just got off the phone with Fidelity. Before we start this, I want you to know that these are some of the brokerage firms that actually, or brokerage accounts that actually offer fractional shares. That is necessary to participate in this. Number 1, Fidelity. These are 8 of the top. Number 1, Fidelity. Number 2, Charles Schwab. Number 3, Interactive Brokers. 4, Robinhood. 5, TD Ameritrade. 6, E-Trade. 7, Merrill Edge. And 8, Vanguard. The best brokerage firms to offer fractional shares, all right? So let me show you. Let's go. I'm going to use Fidelity, but you can use the brokerage account that you have if you have one that offer fractional shares. Okay, it's going to be really simple. So let's do one together, right? I'm going to go to Fidelity because it's what I have. All right, so we're going to go to Fidelity and then click the link that like you're going to purchase a stock, right? So when you click that link, you'll see this window come up, and I got to do some graying out here. And so what'll happen is if you come to the bottom, you'll see here, switch to new ticker for fractional shares. You're going to click that. And then you see I already have Apple in, right? I already did my Apple. So I'm going to go to the second one, which is ARK. So all I'm going to do is erase that and go to ARKK, right? And then you see it pop up, select it, right? It tells you how much it is. But remember, we're going to click the buy button. Then make sure this is on dollars and not shares. We're doing dollars. And we're going to do $38. Okay, $38 a month equals $5 a day. What we're going to do is we're going to go right to the market price. We're not going to put a limit price in. So I'm only spending $38. As you can see, 0 commission. Preview orders and place order. Okay, so I'm going to go to the third one. Now, all you have to do is go right back here, and I'm going to put in a CNRG. There it is, right there. Boom. I'm going to buy, and remember, no shares, dollars, amount, $38. I like to put the .00, $38. We're going to do market order again, $38, 0 commissions. Preview order, place order. Okay, and then we're going to go back and do the last one, INSG, Inseego Corp. So you guys get it. We want to do that. So here's what's really cool. I just got off the phone with Fidelity, which I get no commission for. So you can do it. Remember, with Schwab, Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, Merrill Edge, Vanguard, you can do it with whatever broker you're with. But what's really cool is for those of you that are on Fidelity, I'm going to provide a link below, and it's going to look like this. If you click this, it leads you to this page which says automatic investments, right? You hit set up here. And these are my accounts. I have them blurred out so you can't see them, but I have one account says $5 a day to the left. But if you come to the right, it'll say set up automatic transfer or investments. So I'm going to set it up where I pay myself monthly automatically. All right. Here it says transfers funds from an external bank. All right. You can transfer from within your brokerage account. You could take it out of your regular trading account. So let's just see how that looks. So as you could see here, I just purchased these, and it shows you how many of Apple, ARK, and CNRG that I have. All right. But it shows you the fractions. All right. So here is what I want you to see. It allows you to put the monthly amount, right? The monthly amount is going to be 152.00. What $158 is $5 a month equals $152. I'm sorry, $152, right? Here's what we're going to do, good people. Here it says investment schedule. This is very important. I want you to rewind this video as much as you need to. it says monthly. We're going to select monthly, and we're going to do this every month on the 22nd. We're going to bring over $152 a month, which equals $5 a day. Now, if you have $10 a day, you do the math. If you have $20, $30, $40, $50 a day, you do the math. You can put in as much as you want or as least as you want. If you don't have $5 a day, then, just start with where you're at, all right? And if you're watching this video a month later, all you got to do is calculate the days and just catch up, fam. This is about, when I say fam, that means family. This is about setting up financial freedom and putting it on automatic, all right? So every month on the 22nd, we're going to make sure it's selected monthly. Then if you only wanted to go for 5 years, you could set a stop date, but I have mine to no stop date. Okay. So $152 a month, and it will come out of your it will come out of your checking account or whatever account you want it to come out of, and it'll go right into your $5 a day account, good people. So that's what I want to share with you. Also, too, for those of you that are with, let's say, Robinhood, and you want to come over to Fidelity, you could keep half of your account, or you can just keep your fractional shares in your Robinhood. Fidelity, for a $75 fee, will transfer all of your stock over or just part of your stock over. And they only charge $75. So if you want to transfer some money over, you can. And here's how good Fidelity is. If you wanted to transfer from Fidelity over to Robinhood, they charge $0. That's when you know that you are with a big boy account. So have more than one account, all right? And so I'm going to leave this link for those of you that are on Fidelity already. I'm going to leave this link below, and you click this link, sign in to your Fidelity account, click this link, and it's going to bring you right to this window, and it's going to help you guys to set up automatic. So now I want to just leave you with this. You pay your bills automatic, and you pay everybody else first, and you don't pay yourself. We have to break that. Society teaches us to be broke, work a job, retire, get sick, and die. Start this today and just breathe. And I would absolutely, positively start this for my children, okay? For my kids, my brothers, my sisters, whoever, your loved ones, your friends, I would start this today, all right? And so I want you to look at the video at the end of this, because it explains why we picked these stock, and it also explains why, if you're buying it on a red day, you're actually gonna make more money off of it because you're buying it on a discount, good people. All right, we'll see you back in the other studio. So there you have it, good people. I'm excited. Listen, when you do this, you can breathe, you can exhale. My dad used to always tell me doing nothing is never the answer. All right, so I want you guys to share 2 hashtags with everybody you know, everybody. The main one is this one, and it's $5 a day challenge. It's the hashtag $5 a day challenge. Okay, yes, it's the Larry Jones. You don't have to put the Larry Jones in there. We want the $5 a day challenge to get across as many ears and eyes that can see and hear it, because we want to break the chain, the bondage of being broke. You know, we want to create generational wealth, and this is a path. So $5 a day challenge, and also $1 million cup of coffee. I want you guys to view both of those because it's very, very important. Lastly, because these videos get a lot of views, do not fall for any spam. Anybody that is looking like, it'll look like me, my name should be gray. It should be highlighted in gray. If not, I will never give a WhatsApp I will never give a phone number. I will never ask you for any information. And I will never say contact my broker. That is spam. We want this to succeed. And in closing, I want to tell you, we always here at this page say there are many types of brokers, neighborhood brokers, and there's financial brokers, and there's stock brokers. The neighborhood brokers are the ones that are broke and they want to keep you broker. So you may see some negative comments. You may hear some negative people. Don't fall for it. You're going to miss your blessing. All right. We are going to take this challenge and we will win. If you don't, that's fine. But just remember, I'd rather have money making money than to have a closet full of shoes, gym shoes, $300 gym shoes, purses and dresses and suits and that type of thing that will lose value. Let's build wealth together. This is going to help a lot of people. Okay. So remember, share this hashtag. If you're going to take the $5 a day challenge, please leave me a comment and share the hashtag. Share it with as many people as you can. We are going to build wealth. Lastly, at the end of this video, I'm going to leave another video here. You have to view it because it explains why we choose these stock. Then at the end of that video, I want you to watch the $1 Million Cup of Coffee because it is going to free you guys up and we're going to make money. All right. Hey, love you guys and let's take the challenge.